Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I will guide you for estimation of cement, sand and aggregate in RCC slab. Because most of the students they are confused during estimation of material in RCC slab. So therefore watch this video till the end to know about estimation of cement, sand and aggregate for this slab. As you can see, this is RCC slab which width is 3 meter and length is 4.5 meter and thickness of the slab is 0.15 meter or 150 mm. So how much cement, sand and aggregate is required for this RCC slab? So this is the topic for today. And you can see at the middle I provided the top beam. Okay, so it's up to you. So if you want to use the top beam on 4 sides or only at the middle, so it's up to you. Only I am guiding you how to calculate quantity of cement, sand, aggregate for RCC slab as well as for beam. Okay, so let's get started guys. So we can calculate the estimation of these materials with 4 steps. The first one, volume of slab or volume of beam. Second, quantity of cement. Third, quantity of sand. And fourth, quantity of aggregate. Okay, so let's get started guys. First of all, size of slab. What is the size of slab? Guys, you can see the size of slab is 3 meter by 4.5 meter. So you can see here length is 4.5 meter, width is 3 meter and thickness of the slab is 150 mm or 0.15 meter. Okay, this is size of slab. Now what is the size of beam? I am using only one beam, so you can use 4 beams at 4 sides, okay, according to its length and width. Got it? But I am using one beam which length is 3 meter. You can see guys. And size of the beam is 0.3 meter by 0.3 meter, or you can say 300 mm by 300 mm. So this is beam. Okay, so size of the beam is 3 meter length, width is 0.3 meter and depth is also 0.3 meter. So now in first step I will find volume of slab and volume of beam, then we will get the total volume of concrete. Okay, beam and slab. Next guys, you can see here we will use here M20 grade concrete, which ratio is 1:1.5:3. Because in most of the construction by myself I am using M20 grade concrete, which ratio is 1 is cement, 1.5 is sand and 3 parts are aggregate. Okay, next guys, let's find out the volume of slab, which is 4.5 by 3 by 0.5. So the total volume of the slab will be 2.025 meter when you calculate or when you multiply these 3 dimensions with each other. Next, volume of beam, which is 3 meter, length is 3 meter, depth is 3 meter, as you can see 0.3 meter and width is also 0.3 meter. So the total volume of the beam is only 1, which is 0.27 meter cube. Okay, now I need total volume of concrete. So the total volume of concrete will be volume of slab plus volume of beam. So volume of slab is 2.025 plus 0.27 is the beam volume. So the total volume of beam and slab with concrete is 2.295 meter cube. So let me convert it to the dry volume, because we will bring dry material. When we put water inside, so it can decrease the volume. So therefore we will convert this wet volume to the dry volume. So the dry volume, we will get the dry volume. So wet volume, which is this one. So this is wet volume. So with wet volume we will multiply 1.54. That's why, because wet volume is increased 54% of wet volume. So we will get the dry volume. So therefore wet volume multiply 1.54 is equal 2.2 295, this is wet volume, multiply 1.4. So this is the dry volume of concrete, in which we will find the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate. Got it? Next guys, you can see the quantity of cement. So how much cement is required to complete this construction, this RCC slab as well as its middle beam. Okay, now guys, as you know, we are using the M20 grade concrete, which ratio is 1:1.5:3. So sum of ratio is 5.5. So this is sum of ratio. Got it? Next guys, you can see quantity of cement, the formula is ratio of cement divided by sum of ratio multiply dry volume of concrete. So ratio of cement is M20 concrete, so 1 part is cement. So 1 part should be right here, divided by sum of ratio, which is 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, sum of ratio is 5.5. So guys, you can see 1 part is cement, sum of ratio is 5.5, multiply the dry volume of cement, which is 3.534, which is this one. So when you do its multiplication, okay, so from this calculation you will get 0.6425 meter cube. This is the volume of cement. Now let me convert this cement volume to cement bag. Remember guys, number of cement bag, the formula is volume of cement divided by volume of 1 bag cement in meter cube, because the calculation is in meter cube. So therefore this is the volume of cement, which is 0.6425, which is this one, divided by volume of 1 bag cement, which is 0.0347. This is the volume of 1 bag cement in meter cube. Then you will get 18.51 cement bags. So say 19 bag cement is required for this slab and beam. Next guys, quantity of sand. As you can see, the quantity of sand, 1.5 parts are sand. So 1.5 parts divided by sum of ratio, which is 5.5. The formula is same as we did here, but there is 1 part cement and here is 1.5 parts sand. And you can see the total dry volume of concrete. So we required 0.9638 meter cube volume of sand. Okay. Next guys, you can see in fourth step we will find the quantity of aggregate. So aggregate is the 2 part of or double of sand. So as you can see here we have 1.5 and quantity of sand, but here we have 3. That's why, because in M20 grade concrete we have 3 parts aggregate. So 3 parts divided by 5.5 is sum of ratio, multiply 3.534 is the dry volume of cement, dry volume of concrete, which is this one. So when you do its calculation, so we required 1.9427 meter cube volume of aggregate. So this is the calculation, how to calculate quantity of cement, sand and aggregate. Now for example, if the price of cement bag is 700 rupees, okay, or for example its price is $3, so 19 multiply $3, so you will get $57. Sorry, 19, yes, the 1 bag cement price is $3, for example. This is just example, okay, or suppose, yes, $3 you can say. So it means that the price of 1 bag cement is here $3 to 19.3, it means $57. This is just the example. Maybe in your country you will find this by $10. Okay, this is just example. If that is $15, so it's depend on country situation. Okay, so next, if the for example 1 meter cube sand price is, for example, $3, so you will multiply and you will get the total price. If the aggregate 1 meter cube price is, for example, $5, so you will multiply this volume with 5. Okay, then you will get, then how you can calculate its total price or total cost. So price of cement plus price of sand and price of aggregate. Then you will find the total material cost. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.